Um, Today's video is going to be Amazon unboxing, and I was looking for a couple of diamond paintings, basically the Christmas season, and I was looking for something that my daughter and I could do together. So I thought that this would be the perfect choice. And one is the diamond painting of a Christmas tree, and it has Santa's sleigh going by under the moon. And I thought that was pretty amazing. And then this is of Santa Claus inside of a living room with the milk and cookies and the teddy bear and the reindeer out the window. And I thought that when he opened up his coat, there's a village. And I thought that was very pretty. And with the Christmas tree and the fireplace. And another thing that I liked is the price for 2 diamond paintings, and it's 16 inches by 12 inches. I thought that it was pretty good, $8.88. So I'm going to do the unboxing in just a few seconds. Okay, I'm back, and this is what it looks like, which I'm hoping that the details of the picture will come out clear. But so far, what I see, it kind of resembles the painting itself. And it has a total of 20 colors. These are the dreads. And to me, it's a total of 20 packages with some gorgeous colors. This is the second one. And sorry for the glare, but that one, I am sure that my daughter and myself will have a good time working on that together. And, again, this one has a total of 20 colors. And these are the diamond rings that came with them. And basically, we're going to be working on one of the other diamond paintings tonight, which is Christmas Eve. And I know we're going to have a lot of fun working on this together. So thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget, to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I put up another video. Merry Christmas and be safe. And I am hooked on diamond painting. Bye-bye.